Hi, I'm Wayne from bwcpublishing.com. Today we're going to make a paper airplane, and then at the end we'll fly it and show you how it works, so follow along with us. We are using just a standard piece of printer paper. You can use any size you want. The larger the paper, the larger the plane, smaller the blah blah, you know. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the paper, fold it in the center, just line the edges up just like this, make a crease. Okay, open your center back to the center. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to take each edge here and fold them to the center, just like this. Make you a crease. Take the other side, do the same thing. Now we're going to do it again. Fold it to the center again. Make you a crease. Do the other side, same way. Make you a crease. Okay, now you have your plane ready to go. Fold it in. Now you're ready to make the wings. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the wings back to about 1 inch here from the tip. Fold it down. Make you a crease. Okay, now turn it over and let's do the other side the same way. Same distance. Make you a crease. Okay, now we have our plane. To make it more stable, we're going to put some wing right here. Fold this in about 1/2 inch and fold it up. Fold this and in about 1/2 inch and fold it up. Okay, there's your plane. Now it's ready to fly.